This month's card kit features the Nature Symphony stamp set and dies, and it creates 6 adorable cards in this cute little tote. Isn't that adorable? Let's take a look at the cards. Don't you just love the neutral tones? I know I do. It has a peaceful, calming effect and just kind of a simple beauty to it. So you'll see here, we've got lots of different products being used and some techniques. So in the background here, we've got some of metallic pattern paper, and I'll show you that at the end. Then we've stamped a couple of branches and then used the coordinating die to cut them out. We've stamped them with Versamark ink and then used some of the metallic copper embossing powder to heat set it. And then that gives it not only that gorgeous color, but a shine and a shimmer as well to coordinate with the metallic papers. Then you can just swipe your paper. So the edges of this white piece of paper and the edges of this banner, just swipe it on the Versamark ink pad and sprinkle powder and heat set it. So now it's, what's the word I'm looking for? Ink distressed around the edges. Thank you very much. Okay. And then we've got the sentiment also in that copper embossing powder. In the background here, you see what looks like just some texture there? That was created with one of the dies in the kit here. So here we've got Nature Symphony stamp set. So here's the 2 branches that we stamped and used the Versamark ink. And then here's the coordinating die to cut those out. And then there's this die right here. It won't cut anything out. It just cuts into the paper. And that's what you see in the background here is just like these little hash marks where it was cut. Not only is it visual, it's textural as well. And then just because I like to do this, I've used an embossing folder on the flaps, all of them. And I've used a brand new embossing folder, and it is called Fern and Flora. So that's what I used on all of the envelope flaps for this kit. Let's take a look at card number 2. Card number 2, okay, so here's another one of those beautiful neutral backgrounds. So we've got just a hint of the metallic foil showing around the edges there. And then we've taken and die cut out just in white cardstock using this die, white cardstock with adhesive sheets on the back of it so that they become like a sticker. So we've die cut these branches, you peel and stick them right down to the surface, and it creates that dimensional, neutral, gorgeous background. I absolutely love it. And then fussy cutting just a couple of the flowers out of the pattern paper. And then these 2 little branches were done by just taking your Versamark ink pad and tapping it on your paper and then sprinkling it with embossing powder, heat setting it, and now you have metallic paper that you can cut out these little branches. So if you can see that there. You've got a sentiment there in the copper, and you've got those embossed envelopes, and that is card number 2. Card number 3 is a sweet and simple little card. Again, we've got that distressing die in the background here, just kind of in the 4 corners. And then we've also taken that metallic paper that we made with the embossing powder and cut out some of these branches as well. See that beautiful shine? Now you could use metallic paper, certainly, and I started to do that, but then just decided to stick with the embossing powder, which is used throughout the workshop on each card so that it's not something new. It's the same technique done in different ways. So those are the 3 cards, 3 different cards, 2 each of 3 different designs for a total of 6 cards. And they're just so sweet on their own. But all together, my goodness, this just makes a beautiful combination, all in an adorable little bucket purse here to give as a gift. Nature's Symphony cards and tote. That is the workshop for the month. I said I would show the products used and forgot to show you the Delicate Designs specialty paper. So this is that metallic paper here. So it's white with this metallic embossing foiling on it. So then here's another one. And this one was used in the background. This one we used to fussy cut out flowers and leaves. And this one was used just to show a hint of a border on one of the cards. And both of these were used to create the little bag. The Delicate Designs specialty paper. Your pre-cut kit includes paper, envelopes, adhesive sheets, ribbon, and twine. But you will also need the Nature Symphony bundle, stamp set, and dies, or something similar from your stash. If you would like to emboss, as we did in the stamping techniques, you will also need some Versamark ink, along with an embossing powder like our metallics collection here. We used the copper. A heat tool will be necessary to heat set your powder. Here's a list of other basic supplies that you will need that you probably already have in your stash. As an added bonus, when your total purchase reaches $50 or more, you will also receive a guide with 6 more projects using the Nature's Symphony bundle. You are going to love this month's Nature's Symphony card kit. You can order your pre-cut kit from me on my website, creatingwithchristine.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.